I've been exploring the progressive auto insurance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. Progressive lets you get car insurance quotes online in minutes, customize coverage, and manage your policy anytime. It highlights required liability, plus options like comprehensive, collision, roadside assistance, and uninsured motorist. You can also bundle auto with home, renters, or other vehicles for extra savings and use tools that compare rates or build a policy around your budget. Now, let's talk about the benefits. The big draw is how fast you can see prices and tweak coverage without calling an agent. Drivers who switch often report notable average savings, and there are many discounts for bundling, safe driving, students, and teens. Snapshot can reward careful drivers with lower rates based on real driving habits. There are also calculators and state guides that help you understand how much coverage you actually need in 2026. Next, let's break down the pricing. Progressive doesn't promise one flat price because it adjusts for your age, location, driving history, and vehicle. The site leans on national average savings and comparisons against other big insurers. It also makes clear that savings vary by state and how you buy, and that some discounts or programs like Snapshot are not available everywhere. That said, it's not perfect. The advertised savings and discount amounts come with a lot of fine print, which can feel confusing. Some tools, coverages, and discounts are limited by state, so you might not see every option where you live. Pricing is still sensitive to tickets, accidents, and credit in many places, so not everyone will get a low quote. The focus on digital tools can also feel overwhelming if you prefer a simple, guided experience. Overall, I treat Progressive as a strong option to compare, but always get a few quotes before you decide. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.